Hello students, good morning. This is your English class. Students, we are doing chapter number 14, prepositions in English grammar, and we have learnt that the words that show relation of one noun to another noun in sentences are called prepositions. Okay, so keeping that in mind, we have to solve the exercises given in your chapter. Let's see what we have to do in exercise A. In exercise A, we have to encircle the prepositions in the following sentences. Okay, so let's begin with it. The first sentence is, the boy is behind the gate. So in this line, which word is the prepositions? तो कौन सा वर्ड इसमें preposition है उसे हमें encircle करना है. The boy is behind. So encircle behind like this. Second, the book is on the table. Behind means क्या होता है? पीछे. Okay? The book is on the table. Here you can see. It means table के ऊपर. So on is preposition. Next, the man is near the bed. Near is preposition. The rat is behind the gate. Again, it is preposition. Let's go further. The cat is under the table. Under the table. Under means नीचे. बिल्ली टेबल के नीचे है. The tree is in front of the house. In front means सामने. So in front here is preposition. We went to the school. To is preposition. Remember that. Okay. Next up, Tuesday comes after Monday. Here after is preposition. Okay, it tells the time. Do not write with pen. With. Preposition of agency. With. With means साथ. Means किसी के साथ या किसी के द्वारा. The table is made of wood. Of. Okay, made of एक साथ भी लेते हैं इसको, और of भी आपकी preposition है. Next up, we have solved exercise A. Now let's see what we have to do in exercise B. In exercise B, we have to fill in the blanks using suitable prepositions. So the first, इसमें हमें blanks में suitable prepositions को fill करना है. The first sentence is, the fan is dash the boy's head. We can write over. क्योंकि फैन क्या होता है, आपके सीधे ऊपर होता है, इसलिए over the boy's head. The fan is over the boy's head. Second one, the clock is. Now here in this picture the clock is correct. इन दोनों के साइड में ही है, तो बगल में आपको दिख रही है, इसलिए आप लिखेंगे the clock is beside the window and painting. Okay, so write beside. Don't go on my writing, you have to write in a good manner. Sunday comes before Monday. Okay, so write before Monday. The boy is standing. We can opt any suitable preposition as like near. Near means नजदीक. The boy is standing near the tree. लड़का पेड़ के करीब खड़ा है. The cat is, it is not winding, it should be hiding. Okay, so cut this and write hiding. Hiding, HIDING. Hiding means छुपना. Okay, so you have to correct it. The cat was hiding behind the curtain. So write behind here. Behind means पीछे. Okay. Sixth one, write dash a pen in this book. Write with a pen. Okay, with a pen in this book. Let me tell you, when अगर कभी भी इंक वर्ड दिया हो तो आप उसके साथ क्या लिखेंगे, राइट इन इंक। और अगर उसके साथ पेंसिल दिया हो तो आप उस वक्त पेंसिल के साथ विथ प्रीपोजिशन का यूज कर सकते हो। ओके, राइट विथ पेंसिल और राइट इन इंक। 7th, the 2 eggs were in the nest. In means may. Okay, so here we have solved half of the exercise B also. I am leaving the rest of the sentences of the exercises for you to solve. Okay, do it and send me for correction. I'll see you next class. Thank you.